to the House of Yum. My name is Serene. Welcome into my kitchen. Today we are going to be making a homemade Chick-fil-A sauce because again, there is nothing, you don't know all my mistakes I've made. We are going to make homemade Chick-fil-A sauce today because nothing worse in life than driving through that Chick-fil-A drive-thru, 5 kids, ordering who even knows how much food. I don't even know. Forgot to get food for the baby. No Chick-fil-A sauce. To save you and myself, I've learned how to make homemade Chick-fil-A sauce. You know, am I gonna get in trouble for saying Chick-fil-A? Is this like, am I gonna get in trouble? Copyright laws? So, Chick-fil-A sauce. We're gonna start with the base of mayonnaise. I know, I don't wanna hear it. You know, it's not like I go eating it with a spoon or anything, but nobody wants dry sandwiches. At least I don't. I just bought this mayonnaise. It's like empty. So we're gonna do 1/4 cup. Okay, that's the base of the recipe. The main ingredients for the Chick-fil-A sauce is mustard and barbecue sauce. It's kind of like a honey mustard. A lot of people get really passionate about their Chick-fil-A sauce. Tell me that it's honey mustard barbecue sauce mixed with coleslaw dressing. Wow, that's kind of what we're doing actually. With the mayonnaise base, we're gonna add a little sweet with the honey, add a little sweetness, and a little tang with the lemon juice, which is kind of reminiscent, like a coleslaw dressing. So it's kind of like a coleslaw dressing. You are gonna see the ends. 2 tablespoons honey, 1/4 cup mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of barbecue sauce. This one I had to go buy new. I probably should open it beforehand. 2 tablespoons of barbecue sauce. I'm just gonna pour it. I do have recipes for a reason, and I suggest you follow them if you want to get the right outcome. Me, on the other hand, I'm not gonna complain. 2 teaspoons of Dijon. So, 1, 2. Actually, I forgot to grab it. My yellow mustard. Hold on. 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard. I love yellow mustard on hot dogs. So lemon juice. 2 teaspoons of fresh squeezed lemon juice. Oh no, oh no. What mommy's doing. You want a drink? Like up on our counter, sweetie. Did anybody brush your hair this morning? Yeah, who?
Daddy.
Daddy did it. Where was I? 2 teaspoons of fresh squeezed lemon juice. And I'm just gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it in my hand because I was so prepared for this video, as you can tell. Okay, so 2 teaspoons. Just a little, we don't want it too lemony. No. I'm gonna use my same spoon here. And stir. And then we'll, you know, this is for my family, so. It's a little honey-rific. I think I added a little too much honey. Do a little dollop of that. See what happens when you don't follow the exact recipe. Not using measuring spoons. It's okay to change it up and make it kind of what you want. Oh, we're getting fancy now. Check this out. Totally not holding that right. Oh, That looks so bad. Okay, maybe a different angle. Let's focus. Okay. This is totally how the professionals do this. Oh my goodness. It doesn't look good on there. We're not gonna do that. You're not gonna see that. Well, hello. Look, put on my false eyelashes. Moving on. Oh, that's not a good shot. I'll just do, yeah, see, look. Oh, I'm gonna spill. Y'all know there's another camera down here. I'm trying to get like up close shots of the food because I'm like a professional. Anyways, cooking show 101. First try. And now we wait 20 minutes for my french fries to cook because I planned my life poorly. What? Where is Daddy? He's coming back. He took the loud ones. He took the noisy brothers so that Mommy could